When performing the bird dog, we want to start in a 4-point kneeling position. That's a position with our hands and knees on the floor. Common mistakes involve head position. Often people will lift their head or drop their head down. We want the head to maintain a neutral spinal alignment. Another common mistake that we see is people lower their low back towards the floor or raise their back up to the ceiling. Again, we want to try and keep the spine in a flat position that's in line with the floor. Start by extending the hip, and so we want to keep the leg in a straight line with the spine and try not to roll the hips around, and then we lift the opposite arm in front, keeping a neutral spine position for 10 to 30 seconds. Then repeat on the other side.
We hope you found this video useful. For more stretches and exercises to help you live pain-free, please keep watching our channel. To book a treatment at Knead Massage and Natural Therapies, you can click the link below or call us to book your appointment. And it would be very helpful if you like this video, and we'll see you at our clinic. Have a lovely day.